Come back to the channel, and if you just perform this kind of lab where we use NetApp, so for you the task number 1 and task number 2 is very easy. Okay, so first of all, do one thing, just activate your cloud shell and just wait for that to establish a connection. And please make sure of one thing, guys, you are performing this lab in Chrome browser, not in any other browser, and make sure you have the stable connection. Okay, task number 3 and task number 4 are a little bit confusing, so I will try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, and be patient while doing this lab because it takes a couple of minutes to complete any task. Okay, so just copy this first command and just wait for to establish a connection. So it's done. Now run the first command, then copy this second command and run over here. Now it will take, click on authorize, it will take couple of minutes, so just wait for that. Meanwhile, you can just search for VM instance, open this thing in new tab. Okay, now just copy the third command, and once you complete with any command, do not immediately click on check my progress because it takes time to update a score. Okay, so it's been done also, just wait for a second. So it's done. Now run the third command of task number 1. Now simply come on the VM instance, then click on this external IP, then click on the sign up. From here just copy this username and paste over here, copy this password and paste over here. If you are using other passwords, so just make sure of that thing, copy and save it any other notepad or thing like that. Use Google as a company name, Qwiklab as I am just going Qwiklab. Okay, click on this accept and sign up. Now click on let's start it. Before that, just give the username both the places and done. Now we have to wait for a couple of minutes, it will take that much time. Meanwhile, you can do one thing, just open online notepad or you can just use any other notepad. Okay, we need in future steps, so just wait until this task get executed properly. So it's finally done. Now simply click on let's go. Okay, click on continue, and then click on this gear icon, then click on this connector setting, then click on this general, uncheck this checkbox and simply click on save. Now it will take couple of seconds to off this thing off, like now click on this BlueXP, then click on this add working environment. From here choose GCP single node, click on that, click on next. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. So it's done. Now here we have to just give the cluster name, so I'm just giving cluster name 1 like this. For the password we have to use this password, or if you just use the different one while creating the accounts, just use that and click on continue. Now here uncheck or disable this backup to cloud, click on this cross and simply click on continue. Now here just make sure that your region must be US Central and zone must be US Central 1A. Okay, click on check box that and click on continue, click on this premium, continue. Okay, now click on this change configurations. From here choose the machine type, like the oldest one 9.7 P5 and click on apply. From here choose the N1 HIMEM4, click on continue, click on standard. From here choose the 100 GB and click on continue. No need to make any other changes over here, click on simply continue. Now here please pay attention guys. Okay, now if you just scroll down here, we have to add this data. Okay, so first of all just copy the name, paste over here. For the size it must be 10. Okay, now please pay attention. Okay, while we are creating the volume, snapshot policy must be none for this lab. Okay, it's also mentioned over here. Okay, now no need to make any other changes because all the things are already created or choose for you. Now simply click on continue, then continue. Now click on this two check boxes and simply click on go. Now it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete this task, so kindly wait for that. Do not rush on the other task. Okay, do not rush on this task. Okay, otherwise lab will detect like you are following the malicious activity and lab will be ended. Okay, so just wait to this task get completed. Okay. So it's finally done. Now simply click on this freemium. Okay, now click on this enter working environment. Now it will take couple of seconds. So what we will do now, if you want, just simply click on check my progress. You will get a score over here. Now just copy this command, go to your cloud shell, and if this is disconnected, you will get reconnect option. Just simply click on that and just paste this command. Now it will take couple of seconds, so just redirect to our this console. Now click on this hamburger icon. If you just hover, you will get this kind of option. Now click on this mount command. Okay, now from here just pay attention, guys. Okay, as I said, if you want, you can do all the changes on the shell also, or if you want, you can just use the notepad also. So I have just copy this thing, paste to your notepad like this. Okay, and now what you have to do here, just type sudo, give space, and for here we have to make changes we have to do. If you just scroll down, okay, so first of all come on here, refresh the page and see that your Linux VM is created or not. So as you can see, it's created. Now click on this SSH. It will take couple of seconds, just wait for that. Meanwhile, just copy this first command, let me increase the size so that you can see carefully. Okay, done. Run the first command, then copy this second command and paste. Now here, if you on the point number 10, copy this path. Okay, do not forget that one. So just copy that path. So we copy this mount data from here. Okay, now just change over here like this. Okay, and in final attempt your commandments will look like this: sudo, then mount, and then the path. So now just copy this thing, go to your SSH and run. Okay, so you have done with this task. Okay, now just copy this command and run. And once you click on check my progress, and please run this command. Okay, please run this command. So you have done with that. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to create one snapshot policy. So if you remember, when we are creating a snapshot, we have make it as a none, but here we have to just make it as default. Okay, then we have to create one snapshot policy, and then we have to just restore it. That's the thing here we have to do. Now click on this hamburger, click on this edit option, just wait for a second, and from here just choose the default and simply click on update. Okay, so that's the thing we have to do over here. Okay, now we have to just create a one snapshot policy. So how can you do that? Simply click on this hamburger, and from here you will get create a snapshot copy. So just click on that and simply click on create. As you can see, snapshot is created. So if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now here just copy this command. Okay, just copy this command, go to your SSH, run over here. Okay, now no need to do point number 2, 3, 4, no need to do that. Now just come on the point number 5, copy this command and run over here. Okay, so here you will get one timeline, this manually, and today's year, today month, and today's date. Okay, so just copy this thing carefully. Okay, copy that, go to your notepad, and let me just paste over here. So this thing which I copy from here, year, month, and today's date, and some random number, as you can see. Now what we have to do over there, so now just copy this command. Okay, copy this command, go to your notepad and paste over here, and here you will get timestamp option. So just copy this thing and select from here to here. Please do this thing carefully, otherwise you will get a unnecessary error, and paste over here. Make sure there is no extra space. Now just copy this command, go to your SSH and run. Okay, so you have done with this command. Now just scroll down. No need to run this command, cat command, just copy this last command, diff command, and run, and you will get this kind of output. Okay, now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just restore it. How can we do that? Simply click on this hamburger icon, then click on restore from snapshot copy, click on that, just wait for a second. Okay, no need to make any other changes, simply click on restore. It will take couple of seconds and it will be done. Okay, so that's the thing we have done over here, all the things. Now just do one thing. Okay, first of all just copy this command and come over here and run. Okay, now what we have to do, just come over here, and here you can see data 1 restore. So now click on this hamburger icon, then click on this mount icon. Okay, and just copy this, copy that, come over here and make the changes like this. And as I do in earlier, just type sudo, and for here if you just scroll down, you will get the path. Copy this path and make the changes over here like this. Now just copy all this thing, go to your SSH and paste. Okay, so all the things has been done. Make sure there is a extra space over here. Okay, so that's the way we have to complete this lab. There is no need to do any other tasks. Okay, I hope you guys like the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and let me just check the score for the task number 1 and task number 2. Okay, so click on this and click on this, and if I just come over here and just refresh the page in part 3, here you can see I got a green tick. So I hope you guys like the video. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day.